Welcome to the section Monitor for Reliability and Performance with Application Insights. In this section, I'm going to cover Application Insights and how to enable it for your Azure Function app, show you how to configure log forwarding to a storage account, and demonstrate some useful features of Application Insights. Welcome to the video Enabling Application Insights. In this video, I'm going to review the Azure Function app creation process and remind you that you can enable Application Insights right when you're creating your Azure Function app. But just in case you've not created your Application Insights, I'm going to show you how to create one and how to connect an existing Azure Function app to it. Here we are inside the portal, and I'm going to go ahead and create a resource. Select Serverless Function app. And I don't need to provide any of this details because I just want to point out that when you're creating your function app, you do have the ability to create an Application Insights account with it. But for the function apps that we've already been creating in this course, we've not enabled that. And that's just so that we can show you how to add or change your Azure Functions connectivity into an Application Insights account. Now let's go ahead and add that in, and we notice that here is in our favorites. So let's add Insights. We'll select All Services and pull up Insights. Put a star here. Now remember, we don't have to put the star here. We could just select Insights right here or create a resource and find Application Insights. But if we put a star, then it'll add it to our list of favorites. You can also see we're getting some spread here in our list of favorites. If this is happening to you, you may not realize that it's quite easy to just rearrange your list of favorites to show the items that you're using the most frequently up at the top of the list. From the Application Insights view, you can click Add, and let's create an Application Insights. Select the application type of General in this case and put it into our subscription. You can use an existing resource group and click Create. The Application Insights is very quick, and after just a moment, the deployment is successful. I will get in and show you a lot of the details of the Application Insights. In fact, that's what most of this section is about. But first, we're going to need to connect an application to it. Scroll down in the Application Insights and choose Properties, and copy the instrumentation key. This instrumentation key is a reference to this individual Application Insights account. We can switch over to our function app, and I have created a new function app that I'm going to use with this section. Configuring the function app to work with an Application Insights account is a little bit maybe unexpected how you would do this. You might expect that you would go into platform features and choose one of these great management features. But in fact, we need to go into the application settings. We can reach the application settings from platform features, also from the overview. It's here in configured features. And either way, we're going to, whether you're connecting to it from the overview or platform features, it will open up the application settings in a new tab. Scroll down to the application settings, and we're going to add a new setting. The setting value, or the setting name, I should say, is App Insights _ instrumentation key. And the value is the App Insights instrumentation key. Come up and save our application settings. And that's it. We've connected our function app to our Application Insights. You are not limited to a one-to-one relationship. You can have multiple function apps all reporting to a single Application Insights, or you can separate it out and have each function app reporting to its own Application Insights account.